To use Credit Karma Virtual Card, start by understanding what it is. Credit Karma Virtual Card is a digital version of a credit card that can be used to make online purchases. It is offered by Credit Karma, a free online service that provides users with access to their credit scores and reports. First, you need to have a Credit Karma account to access the virtual card feature. If you do not have an account, sign up for one on the Credit Karma website or through their mobile app. Once you have an account, navigate to the Credit Karma Virtual Card section. To activate the virtual card, you will need to link a bank account or a debit card to your Credit Karma account. This is a one-time process and is required to verify your identity and to fund your virtual card transactions. After linking your account, you can request a virtual card. You will be given a virtual card number, expiration date, and security code, which can be used to make online purchases. The virtual card is a one-time use card, meaning it can only be used for a single transaction. When making a purchase, simply enter the virtual card information at checkout, just like you would with a regular credit card. The merchant will not see your actual credit card information, adding an extra layer of security to your transaction. One of the key benefits of using Credit Karma Virtual Card is that it helps protect your identity and credit card information. Since the virtual card is a one-time use card, even if the merchant experiences a data breach, your actual credit card information will not be compromised. Another benefit is that it can help you stick to your budget. Since you can only spend the amount you have in your linked account, you will not be able to overspend or accumulate debt. To get the most out of Credit Karma Virtual Card, make sure to only use it for online purchases and to keep track of your transactions. You can view your transaction history and manage your virtual card settings in the Credit Karma app or website. In summary, using Credit Karma Virtual Card is a simple and secure way to make online purchases. By following these steps and best practices, you can protect your identity, stick to your budget, and enjoy the convenience of a virtual credit card.